The biggest mistakes that borrowers make when it comes to getting a loan usually comes to not doing their homework. For example, they ask a straight question, what's the rate? And they might get a quote for the rate. But then it doesn't take into account if they're either purchasing or refinancing, pulling cash out, what's referred to as the loan to value, meaning the percentage of the loan as compared to what the house is worth. All these things might influence what the actual rate's going to be. And you want to be prepared. And one of the biggest mistakes is not being prepared. If you're meeting with a mortgage broker and you're scrambling to find things, that's not good. I mean, I can't tell you over the years, I'll ask someone a simple question. Where do you work? And the eyes glaze over. What's your work address? And it's like, I'm from outer space at that point. And you, as the consumer, want to take the time to get the paperwork. Usually tax returns, W-2 forms, pay stubs, bank statements. You also want to become an active participant in your own life, meaning don't defer to everyone around you. Oftentimes when you're buying a house, getting a mortgage, the words, the language, lingo is confusing, it's scary. Like I couldn't walk into your world and do what you do, and I shouldn't expect you to do the same thing to me. But when people are confused, they don't always ask questions. And so therefore, they're just deferring to everybody. And mistakes might be made that way. And if we're trying to do what's best for you, we can't always do that if you're not asking questions or giving us feedback at the same time. So get actively involved, ask questions, make sure you understand things. Don't think you're gonna look stupid. You know, this is your home, this is your loan. If something is wrong, let's bring it out in the open now, while we still have time to correct it.